Isotonic, Hypertonic and Hypertonic Solutions, Things You Should Know, Questions and Answers, by Rumi Michael Lee. Introduction. I would like to thank and congratulate you for listening to this book, Isotonic, Hypertonic and Hypertonic Solutions, Things You Should Know, Questions and Answers. This book will help you understand, revise and have a good general knowledge and keywords of isotonic, hypertonic and hypertonic solutions. Chapter 1. 1. How many parts of a solution is there? There are 2 parts of a solution. 2. What is a solution? A solution is a combination of solute and a solvent. 3. What is a solute? A solute is what is dissolved in a solvent. 4. Give examples of solutes. Examples of solutes are sodium, glucose, potassium, etc. 5. What is a solvent? A solvent is what dissolves the solute. 6. Give an example of a common solvent. Water is an example of a common solvent. 7. What is the concentration of a solution? The concentration of a solution is the number of solutes per volume of solvent. 8. What does hyper mean? Hyper means high. 9. What does hypo mean? Hypo means low. 10. What does iso mean? Iso means the same. Chapter 2. 1. What are cations? Cations are positively charged ions. 2. What are anions? Anions are negatively charged ions. 3. What are ions? Ions are atoms or molecules that carry electric charge. 4. What is a cell? A cell is the basic unit of a living organism. 5. The inner part of a cell is? The inner part of a cell is the intracellular part. 6. The outer part of a cell is? The outer part of a cell is the extracellular part. 7. What is cell lysis? Cell lysis is the breakdown of the cell. 8. Are cell membranes permeable? Yes, cell membranes are permeable but are selectively permeable. 9. What is osmosis? Osmosis is the diffusion of water or other solvents through a semi-permeable membrane. Chapter 3. 1. What is plasmolysis? Plasmolysis is the shrinking of the cell. 2. What is cytolysis? Cytolysis is when the cell ruptures. 3. Cytolysis is also called? Cytolysis is also called osmotic lysis. 4. What are the 3 types of solutions? The 3 types of solutions are hypertonic, hypertonic and isotonic solutions. 5. What is a hypertonic solution? A hypertonic solution is a solution with too much concentration. 6. What are the side effects of hypertonic solutions? Hypertonic solutions can make cells shrink. 7. When is a hypertonic solution used in a patient? A hypertonic solution is used in a patient in case of cerebral edema, hyponatremia, etc. 8. What is hyponatremia? Hyponatremia is low sodium levels in the blood. 9. What is cerebral edema? Cerebral edema is the swelling of the brain due to an accumulation of fluid. 10. What happens to fluids in a hypertonic solution? In a hypertonic solution, fluids move out of the cell. Chapter 4. 1. What is an isotonic solution? In isotonic solution, there is an equal concentration of the solution inside and outside the cell. 2. Are isotonic fluids meant to increase or decrease the extracellular fluid volume? Isotonic fluids are meant to increase the extracellular fluid volume. 3. Is there equilibrium in an isotonic solution? Yes, there is. Equilibrium is an isotonic solution. 4. Is there a shift of fluid inside or outside of the cell in an isotonic solution? There is no shift of fluid inside or outside the cell in an isotonic solution. 5. What is a hypertonic solution? A hypertonic solution is a solution with a lower concentration of solute than the other solution. 6. What are the side effects of hypertonic solutions? Hypertonic solutions can cause cell lysis and can deplete the circulatory system fluid. 7. What happens to the fluids in a hypertonic solution? In a hypertonic solution, the fluids move into the cells. 8. Do hypertonic solutions cause the cells to swell? Yes, hypertonic solutions cause the cells to swell. Conclusion. Thank you again for listening to this book. I hope it has helped you in your journey to understanding isotonic, hypertonic, and hypertonic solutions.